guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about whitening today because a lot of people want to have whiter teeth. I have clients anywhere from 15 to in their 80s that are asking me how they could go about getting whiter teeth. They're asking me about the toothpaste that's out there and what products I offer in my office. Now, I offer quite a few different ways of whitening your teeth here in the office. Anywhere from sitting in the chair and having a light activated whitening process, and that's where we put the gel on the teeth. I use a light in it which helps us activate it, speed the process up, and this is left on their teeth for 8 minutes and it's done about 4 times. The whole thing takes about an hour and a half to do. The only problem with that, especially with younger people, we get a lot of sensitivity. So we have other products that we can offer. We have everything from one that you'd wear for 15 minutes to one that you would wear overnight. And the solutions are different in these products as well, because we have carbamide peroxide and we have hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is fast acting, but you get more sensitivity. Carbamide, it takes maybe a little bit longer, but you get less sensitivity. And I also want to mention the end result, whether you have an in-office whitening or you have a take-home whitening that you may wear anywhere from 3 days to 14 days, depending on which product we find is best for you, the end result is exactly the same. So we always want to take into consideration sensitivity. Now, having said that, with some people, they need it done that week because they have a wedding or an event or something that they want to go to. So we also have products, or I also have products here in the office that we can use to help minimize the amount of sensitivity that the person is getting. So I'm just going to go through how the process works for a take-home whitening. You come into the office and take impressions on you, both upper and lower. And the impressions is just a gel material that goes into your mouth, sets in about a minute. And then I pour that up in stone, and we end up with this just being an upper one to show you. And then we take the material that we use to make the trays, and it's just a thin material. It goes right over and it's used in the vacuum, the heat vacuum. And then it goes right shaped to your teeth, so it's very comfortable. You can still talk with the product in and all of that. And we cut it right around your teeth. We do the same for upper and lower. The end product looks something like this. These are actually mine. So you have something like this, very easy and comfortable to put in. And then you only put a little drop into each tooth. So it's not like you're having all this stuff coming out in your mouth. If you have stuff that's coming out onto your tissue, it can burn the tissue, so it has to be wiped off with the face cloth. And like I said, anywhere from 3 to 7 days, 14 days, depending on what product you use. And in the end, you have much whiter teeth. We can never guarantee how much whiter it's going to be, but usually we can expect at least 2 shades lighter.